Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy webinars. Sorry, we have changed the name. This is Dukascopy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. My name is Rakesh, and I am your host here. Today is 26th of February 2024. The day is Monday, the first trading day of the week, and this is also last trading week of the month. So you might be thinking, who am I? I am a Dukascopy's trading community member. Just like any other trading community, I am the member of community of Dukascopy. I'm with this company from I think 2016, and now it's okay. I've been observing this from 2008, but in the last 8 years, I am with them in the form of my analysis. I'm sharing with my analysis. I have taken competitions. So please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy. I'm not their employee, but I am just an independent analyst. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this webinar are of my own. And we shall be strictly discussing the price action and ignore the fundamentals, because we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So if we have everything on the chart, so why we will talk about anything else? So our area of focus will be charts only, and for this analysis purpose we will be using the candlestick type of charts, where we will try to find out the key levels for all the major pairs and also some commodities that we check in this, and we'll see how we can use those key levels for our trading setups. When I say trading setups, I particularly check whether if it gives me 1:3 reward to risk ratio or not. If it doesn't give me risk to reward ratio of 1:3, then I do not call it a trading setup. If you are new to the technical analysis, you would like to maybe go to our channel's homepage, where you can find the playlist section. In the playlist section, you will find the two playlists that have been created by me earlier. One is the profitable candlestick patterns, that deals with the various patterns that occur in the individual candlestick, and also some profitable chart patterns playlist. There you will find chart patterns which are formed by candlesticks only, but there are multiple candles involved. Now if you go through those playlists, it will really help you in understanding what we are talking about in this program. Now at the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask your questions in the chat box that is provided in the video. And lastly, before I start the session, I must make it clear that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. It is not a trading advice, so please do your own research before you put your money on the line or in the live market. With this said, I am completely done with the introduction part, so we'll go for the risk disclaimer first, and then we will go to the charts. So here are your charts. First chart of the day is the US dollar index. US dollar index is something that I check every day, and this is something that you all should check every day. So one myth, not the myth, but one area of interest here is that as soon as the price here on 20th of February, it broke the low of 12th of February. I pointed out that the price may go higher from here, but it may not be able to go higher than 104.89, and eventually it will go down. Oh, sorry, it will go down. And when it went higher here, I told that this is making lower highs and lower lows. There's no possibility that this price will break 104.89, and specifically now this one, because after making this low, the price made this high and then it made this low, so this becomes a relevant high. So till the time the price is holding that as the resistance, we can be sure that the price is headed downwards, and while it is going downwards, we can expect some 103.21, we can expect that to act as a support. But yes, the bias is bearish here, with the target of 103.21 is the first target, and the second one is 102.75, the third one being even lower, 101.63, and so on. All right, the bias in the US dollar now is the bearish, with 104.15 as the immediate resistance. Okay, the bias here in the euro is bullish, the resistance being 1.0897, above which the next target will be this one. So I think this is the resistance. 1.0932 is the next small resistance. Thereafter 1.1000 is the resistance. Thereafter there is ultimate resistance of 1.1139. But right now, if you ask me what is the next resistance, that is 1.0897. In fact, this is a zone of resistance from where the price can reverse and then go up. But that has happened once, so I'm not expecting the price to go down a lot. Although 1.0897 is a very critical resistance. See, in the past, it has been a very good area of interest. Here, 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 1 1 2. So many times this area has been of interest for many people. So yes, I'm expecting this to be an area of interest this time also. So expect some sell-off from there, maybe the sell-off or maybe some profit booking, and the price may reverse from there for some time. In the GBP USD, the bias although is bearish, but yesterday the price not yesterday, day before yesterday, or on Thursday, actually this is 22nd of February, the price broke higher and has started making higher highs and higher lows. Now if you check this previous high and then this low, the price, these all highs and lows are part of this price action, so they are in between this. So we cannot be sure whether the price is going to go higher or not from here. Even the fib retracement is not more than 72%, I think, till now. So fib is only revolving around 62%, and I have a strong belief that the price will eventually reverse from here to the downside. Okay, I'm not just saying it from other perspective, but I'm saying this is a huge sell-off. This sell-off is huge, and this is huge. So now again there is a selling in this zone. The sellers are jumping in. For some reason, if the price starts going higher from here, then 1.2775 is again a very good resistance. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now, I'm not going to buy this market below 1.2775. This is not a buying market. The bias is bearish. You should be looking for a selling opportunity. Australian dollar, although the bias is bullish here also, but today we have a bearish day. And the problem with this one here is that the price has moved only one leg, like for the 8 or 9 days, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, for 8 days the price has just rose higher. Now this may be a consolidation, or you can say retracement. Now you see this is a down move. Okay, from here it went to this area, but has not even reached the 50%. So I am expecting the price to go higher actually and then get rejected. That is what I'm expecting. But in the process, if the price has to go up and up, so if you measure this as the first leg, then you can also throw Fibonacci here, and you can expect the price to actually reverse some 50% or so. That is around 0.6519 or maybe 0.6501 before it starts rising again towards the 6625 and maybe even 0.651 6748, where I am expecting huge resistance in this zone of 0.6708 to 0.6740 area. Makes some sense? But right now this is selling, but I am not selling this market because I am expecting huge move to the 38%, maybe 50% before it starts falling again. Similar is the case for New Zealand dollar. There is the first leg on the upside. Now this may be the second leg when we will be looking for the buying opportunities. What you can do is you can create a channel like this, which I have created. You can adjust this channel now on the 2 hour. So guys, this is the channel that has been created. Expect it to break in some days to the upside. When it happens, then we can look for the buying opportunity in this one. And actually we can buy the New Zealand dollar. But right now the price is trading like this. So yes, it has happened. All right. Something like this is possible now in this market. At any point of time, if you think that I am not able to understand this, please let me know in the chat box. So for the New Zealand dollar, now this may be the support and the resistance. The first resistance will be 0.6774 and thereafter 0.6278. So these levels you should keep an eye on. Also, I think this must be providing some resistance when the price starts going up on the top side. Next is the USD CHF. The bias is bullish, but the price is being rejected again and again by 0.8821. Decisive close above 0.8821 area should open the way for 9113. This is what I think. Right now, there is a possibility that the price will come down again to find this channel as a good support. Now, it's only a matter of time. If the price stays here till next week, there's a high probability that it will find a low forming around this area. Well, the first resistance is 0.8821. The second one, of course, is this one here. This one here, 0.8886. And thereafter, it has no resistance whatsoever all the way up to 0.9113. USD CAD, I'm not trading this market because the price first closed lower than the channel, then it started going inside. Even if I start buying here, it is very close to the resistance of 1.3620. So I don't think it's a good idea to buy at the current levels. But yes, if for some reason the price is able to go higher than 1.3620, then the retracement, at the retracement, I'll be looking for buying opportunities close to this area. With the small stops lower and with the target of 1.3978 on the upside, I will be targeting or buying this market. Right now, I'm not doing anything with this one. USD JPY, it's a buy 151.91 is the target. The stop loss can be below 148.92, but as soon as the price breaks this 150.88, which I think it will break in some 1 hour or so, at that time this will become your stop loss. The low of this candle is 149.52. Next is New Zealand CAD. The price has gone higher. Now it may be coming back towards 8278 to find some support there, and with the target of 0.8417, the targets on the upside are open. The support is still at 0.8278 and the resistance is around 0.8417. The Bitcoin, very nice up move. We are expecting 59,000 on this one, 59,235. Well, this is a break of this consolidation today, and tomorrow and day after may be a run towards 59,235. Now the support is around this area, this one, okay, the highest low that the price has made between these two highs. So 50,578 now is a very strong support for the Bitcoin. In fact, that is our support now. Brent, we were anticipating a down move on Saturday, 23rd of February. It closed a very decent red candle. Thereafter, it opened lower. Now it went lower and it's trying to go high. So it is, I think, going to fill the gap on the 1 hour. So let's see. There must be a gap down opening. Yes, there's a gap down opening, and those who could not sell the market, I think they are looking for some selling opportunities. So close to this 83 area, I think there will be a lot of sellers jumping in to push the prices lower. And if we can get some volumes on this one, the volumes are not very much. So expect sell off very soon in this market, guys. So gold, why I am not buying the gold? Because I'm bearish on this one for time being, till the time it doesn't test 1931 level. Once it tests 1931 level and it fails to break lower than 1931, then we can buy this market with some conviction. But if in the process it breaks below 1931, then I will be looking for a selling opportunity in the gold with a target of 1810 in the coming time. Bain, we have nothing to do with this, but if you Japanese index, that is Nikkei, we have ascertained on Friday that there was a clean break to the upside, a close, and thereafter there was support at that level. Even today there is a support at that level. That means when the price is going down, the buyers are aggressive, and this may be also created as a weekly breakout from from the multi-month high. This is a very big high that the price had seen in January 1990. Yeah, on 1st January 1989 or 1989. So we have a huge impact this week when the price closed higher than that, and now the price is testing to go, going to test 39,631 again. Now if that happens, it can be a huge thing for the Nikkei. It may keep going up and up. So anyways, you see that the price has found a support on the low time frames. There is only buying and buying here with the huge volumes. So there's a high probability that the price will break this and keep going on the upside. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me that question. I'll be very happy to answer that for you. If not, then I'll be closing this session. All right, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, you don't have to risk the entire capital on any single trade. In fact, you should risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you are going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream again. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And also you can consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.